Hi guys, this is Mike from OutandAboutwithMandD here with a great product review from Tolacea. This is a kind of the airline backpack, any kind of backpack. I'm going to go over some of the key features with this for you and tell you how much I appreciate Tolacea. And this is going to be my favorite backpack from here on out, or travel case. Comes with easy clip-on, clip-off backpacking straps. Makes it pretty simple. Pop it on, carry it like a back strap. If you're going a long way and you need hands-free, it does come with the stern strap. Snug it up and you're ready to go. When you're all done with your backpack, the straps pop right loose. Hook them away. Nice little carrying case. Nice and secure if you're carrying it from the side. These center zippers open up to expose your computer case, which is 15.5 inches, so you don't have to take the bag completely apart if you wanted to get your computer out. Nice little snug straps. Does have a pocket on the back. This is a moisture bag, waterproof. Does have a vent on the back side, so air out your dirty socks if you're traveling. Also, that side cinches up pretty nice. Snugs. The little carrying thing on the back is great for a bottle of water if you're carrying your case too, or it does carry your shoulder strap. I'll get you a picture of that shoulder strap here in a second.